Yeah, so this question, the diagram shows a frustum of a cone and a sphere. The frustum shown shaded in the diagram. Okay, so the shaded area here all is this is the frustum, and there is one small cone cut down. So this is the empty area, the other part, the cut down part. Okay. Okay, small cone and the large cone are both are similar shape. Okay, next, the height of the small cone is h centimeter and the radius of the small cone is r centimeter, and the height of the large cone is like kh centimeter. Because both are similar, the scale factor is going to be h. Okay, so it's a h r centimeter. The radius of the sphere is r centimeter, so right side. It is given the sphere is divided into two hemisphere, like each of the radius are the sphere we have divided like two pieces. Okay, solid A, the down. Next, when we come, formed by joining one hemisphere and the frustum. So when we cut like a two the sphere, we cut out like two pieces. The hemisphere will join with the frustum, and the other hemisphere joined with this remaining cone, the right side. So there is two solids A and B. Okay, so what we need to do, the volume of solid A is 6 times the volume of solid B. So volume of solid A, so we need to find out the entire cone volume minus the cut down, the small cone volume. So we'll get the first from volume. So what I'll do, first I'll find volume of frustum. So volume of frustum, we need to find the entire volume. So entire length is kh and kr. So volume of the cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. The formula must be given in the formula sheet. Okay, so here volume of frustum is the entire cone first, 1 by 3 times pi times, instead of r there is full length is kr square, because the entire length is uh, entire radius is kr, so kr square, the h is kh, so we write hey kh. This is the volume of the entire cone. Now volume of the cut like a small cone, so I'll write as a small cone equal to 1 by 3 there. Yeah, there is r and 1 by 3 pi r square h, because the radius is r and the h is going to be h. Now volume of this is not frustum, this is volume of the big cone, sorry. Okay, now volume of frustum is, we need to take away the entire volume minus the cut down volume, we'll get volume of frustum. So which is 1 by 3 pi. So I'll expand this. This is k square r square into kh minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so volume of frustum we got. Now volume of cone. Volume of cone is the formula is not volume of cone, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, the formula is 4 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is going to be, will divide by half, which is 1 by 2 of 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can just simplify, this is 2, so we can write simply 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now I'll go for shape A. So what is given here? The solid A is 6 times the volume of solid B. So solid A is like a frustum plus hemisphere. So frustum volume is here. So I'll write volume of A equal to 6 times volume of B. That is the important point here. So volume of A is frustum plus hemisphere. So volume of frustum, already we did it here. So volume of frustum is going to be 1 by 3 pi k square. So I can write k cube here, because here one k square, here one k, it's become k cube and r square h. Okay, minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of frustum. Plus, see here is there is a hemisphere. So hemisphere, the radius is r. So 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube equal to 6 times volume of B. So 6 times volume of B. Here volume of small cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of small cone, here I did it like 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3. This is hemisphere volume pi r cube. So yes, now we need to, this is some condition that we'll see in the last. Okay, now here we need to find h in terms of k, and we have to make a subject of h. Okay, the entire thing left side, I can see there is 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So I'll bring 1 by 3 pi r square. What will be left? 1 by 3 pi r square when I bring it out, which is first one pi r square. So k cube h is left, minus here 1 by 3 pi r square. So only h is left. Here 1 by 3 pi r square. So plus 2r is left here. Right side also I'll bring 1 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square. When I bring it out, this 6 will join pi r square. So h. So 6 h will be there. 6 I'll multiply inside. Plus here also 1 by 3 pi r square. When I bring it, 2r is left. 2 times 6, which is 12r is become. Now here also 1 by 3 pi r square, 1 by 3 pi r square. I can cancel because I'm multiplying 1 by 3 pi r, sorry, I'm dividing 1 by 3 pi r square both the sides, so it will be cancelled here. The rest is going to be k cube h minus h plus 2r equal to 6h plus 12r. Okay, so we need to make h is a subject, so I'll bring all h one side. So k cube h minus h. I'll bring the 6h this side, it'll become negative 6h. I'll bring 2r to other side, which is 12r minus 2r. So here left side k cube minus h minus 6h minus 7h equal to 12r minus 2r, which is going to be 10r. Okay, so left side, so here there is a h here. So I'll bring h outside, k cube minus 7 equal to 10r. So h equal to 10r over k cube minus 7. This is your final answer, 10r over k cube minus 7, because final answer they asked in terms of k and r, so we gave in terms of k and r. See, there is a condition is given, so k is greater than or equal to cube root of 7. So here right side is 7, the k cube should not be 7 because denominator can't be 0. That's why the condition is there. When we cube, so it is going to be, it must be greater than 7. This answer going to be, that's why the condition will be given. So that's the answer, final answer.